More exclusive library commands. In ZW3D 2020, there are more exclusive commands for the standard part library, which can auto-identify the location face. Let's go through some of them in a case. Locating rings. After clicking the Locating Rings button in the Mold tab, you can insert a ring, which will be located on the top face automatically. Sprue bush. The head size will auto-match with the locating ring. Change the outer diameter. Click OK to finish. Side positioning. There are two side positioning commands. Side positioning 2 for 2-plate mold, and side positioning 3 for 3-plate mold. Pick the location point. Select a suitable size. Confirm the setting by previewing. Click OK to finish. Spring. The spring can be easily added for return pin, ejection plate, and general components. Pick the points in Sketch 3. Select a suitable size. Then the springs are added. With more and more exclusive library commands, you can speed up your mold design.